If you run Exchange Hybrid, there's a deadline that matters right now. Microsoft is permanently blocking the old shared service principle for EWS-based hybrid features after October 31st, 2025. If you rely on cross-premises FreeBusy, MailTips, or profile photos, those conveniences stop working until you move to the dedicated Exchange Hybrid app in Entra ID. This isn't theoretical policy. Microsoft has already run temporary blocks to get customers' attention ahead of final enforcement. If you've noticed FreeBusy hiccups recently, that's why. In this video, you will learn why this change is happening, what exactly you must do, when you're truly affected, and how to roll it out cleanly, so you're ready and don't get caught up by surprise. Let's start with the why. Historically, the hybrid configuration wizard uploaded an on-premises OAuth certificate to the first-party service principal in Exchange Online, so on-prem servers could call into the cloud over EWS. Microsoft is moving away from that shared trust model toward a tenant-owned dedicated app. The shift clarifies ownership, reduces attack surface, and prepares the path for Microsoft's own transition of EWS toward Graph for first-party scenarios. The dedicated app doesn't instantly switch you to Graph. Today, it still uses EWS permissions under the hood. But the point is, get out of the shared principal model so you're ready for the next step. Microsoft has published CVE 2025-53786 as part of the change, a post-explanation concern linked to the shared service principle. That's one reason why they're pushing everyone to update, create the dedicated app, and run service principal cleanup mode to remove lingering certificates from the shared Office 365 Exchange Online principle. Now you might be wondering, are you actually impacted? The short answer: if you ever run the hybrid configuration wizard and expect on-premises users to see FreeBusy or cloud mailboxes or vice versa, you are. If you never enabled those rich coexistent features, FreeBusy, MailTips, photo sharing, you can skip the app creation for now. But you should still run the cleanup path to remove old certs. That's the easiest hardening win this quarter. Symptoms to watch: sudden failure of FreeBusy cross-premises, MailTips not appearing, profile photos missing for cloud users when viewed from on-prem. These are likely signs that the old shared principle has been partially blocked or is about to be. Let's talk about the move itself, step by step. Exchange build readiness. Ensure your Exchange server is on a supported build. Hybrid configuration wizard or PowerShell script. Use the updated hybrid configuration wizard, which can create the dedicated app in your tenant and handle certificate plumbing. Or use the Microsoft-powered PowerShell script that does the same. Enable the new app in your tenant. Creating the app doesn't automatically switch on-prem servers to use it. You must apply a setting override so Exchange uses the new app for hybrid calls. Many admins miss this and think they're done. They're not. Cleanup mode. After the dedicated app is running, run the service principal cleanup mode to strip certificates from the old shared Office 365 Exchange Online service principal. That reduces the leftover attack surface. Smoke test. Book a meeting from on-prem to cloud and vice versa. Test FreeBusy, MailTips, profile photos. Verify on a subset of users before broad rollout. Finish this when FreeBusy works end-to-end using a new app path. Old certs are cleaned up. You've communicated change to the stakeholders. Microsoft Exchange team has been transparent about the timeline. They ran short temporary blocks in September and October 2025 to nudge loggers. The permanent block arrives after October 31st, 2025. During a block, hybrid features may fail only in one direction. That's the exact symptom your help desk dreads. Why can't I see my colleague's calendar? Discovering that on onboarding time is not a day you want. Do the work now, pick a quiet maintenance window, and you will glide through enforcement instead of reacting. While you're modernizing hybrid, seize the moment to look at the wider EWS story. Microsoft announced that October 1st, 2026, Exchange Online will block EWS requests from non-Microsoft apps. If you have third-party tools or in-house utilities that call EWS, start migrating them to Microsoft Graph now. In practice, inventory all EWS consumers, MailSync tools, calendar integrations, archive connectors. Prioritize ones tied to mail calendar. Engage vendors who may still be catching up. The benefit? When you're already doing identity, app registration and certificate cleanup for the hybrid app move, you're in the same phase. You will save time and avoid repeating work. As you undertake this hybrid move, treat it as a hardening opportunity. Run the service principal cleanup mode even if you're not using rich coexistence. Lurk certs equal latent risk. Use least privilege on the dedicated app. Monitor and restrict service principal roles. Review the old shared app certificates and keys. Revoke what isn't needed. Enable conditional access on hybrid identities. Limit legacy authentication. Ensure your on-premises Exchange servers are patched in alignment with cloud security and is maintained. Don't treat this as a routine migration. Treat it as a defense posture upgrade. Your message to stakeholders should be clear. We are upgrading your Exchange hybrid to use a dedicated tenant-owned app. This improves security, aligns with Microsoft's enforcement timeline, and avoids service interruptions. FreeBusy, MailTips, and calendar lookups will continue uninterrupted. We'll plan pilot next month, broaden to rollout by, and post-rollout validation. This phrasing shows control, timeline, and value, and reduces elaboration when someone asks, why change? Analyze your device pool now, plan windows with minimal impact, and give confidence. So let's wrap up. The shared service principal model is ending. Post October 31st, 2025, if you haven't moved, hybrid features will begin failing. Your migration path. Updated Exchange, create and enable the dedicated hybrid app, clean up old certs, smoke test free and busy, and MailTips. Simultaneously, plan for the EWS deprecation in October 26 and shift towards Microsoft Graph. If you do these things, your hybrid coexistence will continue smoothly, your auditors will see you met the timeline, and your help desk won't get the calendar missing call just when things go live. If this video helped you, subscribe so you won't miss our next video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.